Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Sprout Social for LinkedIn engagement reports, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Sprout Social website. Once there, sign in to your Sprout Social account. If you don't have an account yet, click on the Get Started button to create one. After logging in, locate the navigation menu on the left side of the dashboard. Click on the Reports tab to access the reporting features. Next, select LinkedIn Engagement from the list of available report types. In the LinkedIn Engagement section, find the option to connect your LinkedIn account. Click on the Connect Account button. A new window will pop up prompting you to log in to your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and grant Sprout Social the necessary permissions. After connecting, you will return to the Sprout Social dashboard. Now, head over to the Engagement tab within the Reports section. In this tab, you will find a summary of your LinkedIn engagement statistics. Take a moment to explore the various metrics available. These include likes, comments, shares, and overall engagement rate. Use the filters to customize the date range for your report. Adjust the settings as needed to tailor the report to your requirements. Once you are satisfied with the settings, click on Generate Report. Wait a few moments as Sprout Social compiles the data. Once ready, you will see your LinkedIn engagement report displayed on the screen. From here, you can dive deeper into specific metrics. Consider exporting the report if you need a hard copy. Click on the Export button located at the top right corner. Choose your preferred format, such as PDF or CSV. Follow the prompts to save the file to your device. You have now successfully installed and set up Sprout Social for LinkedIn engagement reports. Feel free to revisit the Reports section to monitor your ongoing performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.